Welcome back to the channel. I'd like for you to hit that like and subscribe button. Today I still got the 3500 out with the factory choke, but I'm using the Hevi Metal. See where you can see the number 4s. Let's see what these look like. This is 3-inch number 4s. Somewhere on here, let's see where it says it at. It's going to be 20% more pellets on target. Let's see if that's true. But it looks like it's got the pattern density breakthrough shell. I don't know. We came this far and we ain't gonna miss. Well, let's see what it looks like. Three-inch at 40 yards. I got where I put my earplugs. All right, so that was the Hevi Metal. I was really hoping for something better than that. But it got 10 in the head area, 19 in the white. I don't know. That ain't no better than the Walmart brand with the nitro turkeys with the same chokes. So that's it. But move on to a different brand of shells. Till next time, hit that like and subscribe button. See you. All right. So the Hevi Metal number 4s. Let's cut that up. Yep, it's got flaxseed in it. Hey, it looks like it's got more flaxseed than it does shell. Also, these look to be more out of round. These are not perfectly smooth. They kind of look like, per the box, it's got some kind of non-toxic coating over it, so I'm wondering if there's steel up under it, but you can definitely see a line where they're put together. But now you know.